Okay, hello everybody in this video on my channel. Like I said yesterday, today we have this standard to fix and I try record 3 more video. I try record, of course, most inflation, deflation and popping this inflatable thunder. If you like my video, can you subscribe, but we're going very fast to 1000 subscribers, and when we hit this goal, the 1000 subscribers, then I make the Q&A for you. Okay, if you wanna support me, you can read the description. You can contact me via email or Telegram. If you wanna send me your old toys to my channel to make my video, you can also contact me via Telegram or email. Okay, I think that's all, and I think we can start fixing this thunder. Oh, one more. If you wanna buy Inflatable toy and support my channel, but if you buy something which Amazon, which my link on the description, then I get 3% for your buying. Okay, now it's all. I must now little bit promotion myself, but we don't have yet a payment from YouTube. And I don't have a lot of money to record video. That's why I don't record many times, but now I have a lot of toys that I can record many video. Okay, then let's start. I think we first repairing head, and after head we repair body, and then we can start move inflation and after this deflation. Of course I should be wait 48 hours, not make on the same day, in the same time, but like I said many times, for this toy I repair this now only from video, from future video, from mob inflation, deflation and popping, and after this I repair correctly this toy. That like should be. Okay, and now we put this patch in his head. Okay, head is already fixed. Now we must fix the body. Yes, it's over here. It's only one. I think it's only one. Oh no, it's two. It's over here yet. Okay, it's more. I don't think so. Okay. Then first we try repair this. We have bigger hole here. No, only this. Only here is hole. Here is not. Here is also not, and here is second one. Okay. I see everything. Okay, it's enough or it's too small? We check this now. No, it should be enough, but I'm not. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Now you can put a little bit of glue over here.
Now we put the patch. It's okay, and now the last one is over here.
I think the last one, but I'm not 100% sure.
Okay, yes, good, nice. It's okay. Oh, this is so bad. Okay. Okay, now it's better. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, it's ready. I check yet a little bit more.
Yes, I don't see nothing here.
Also, I don't see nothing here. Yes, it's okay, it's okay. It's also okay. Yes, it's okay. Yes, okay, okay. Everything is fine, I think. Yes, everything is fine.
Okay. That means that all from this video color is already wrapper. In next video I making move inflation, and next video I'm making deflation, and the last video, which this color, I make of course popping. If you like my channel, you can leave subscribe, you can leave like on this video, and you can comment. I very appreciate for that. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you today, of course today, in next video. I think I have enough glue. Where's my glue? Over here. I think I have enough glue to repair 2 more toys, and after this I must find the glue. I don't know, I can buy in country where I live now. Well, I'm from Poland, but I live in different country now, and I must find the glue. I hope so. I found something good, but I don't know. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you again in next video. Bye bye.